Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm actually going to be doing some bird hunting. So, yeah, I got my pump BB gun. I'm all ready to go. So yeah, I'm just going down this little place. Sucker's loaded, isn't it? Oh, fudge. Sorry guys. Actual bird. I'm gonna shut up now because there's a bird there. So you gotta grab away. Kind of getting creeped out. Sorry for the bad angle just a second ago. I was getting ready to shoot a bird, but it just flew off. So, what in the hell? Yo. Okay, I'm getting creeped out. Anyways, there's a pile of apples. Got some bait down for them. So actually, I'm gonna come over here. I'm just gonna kind of wait, and they don't really mind noise. They actually don't give one single crap about noise. And we're gonna do a few loops around this rock pit a few times until we find something, and then I'm gonna set you guys on the ground, and then I'm gonna shoot the bird. Hopefully for Christmas, I'm either gonna get a much better camera because all I use is my phone right now, or I'm gonna get a GoPro. So like when I do this, I could just be filming this, then I could just switch it right over to the GoPro, strap that to me, and then aim and then fire. Or, get a camera set up on my gun. It's not a real gun, it's just a BB gun. Nothing too serious, but actually I hear a bird right now, so I'm sorry if I have to set you guys down. Oh. Oh. Oh, that was a little bit intense there for a second. Almost hit one. I was pretty darn close. They're all up in this crap. Dang it. Didn't hit him. Sucks. Yo, if any of my friends are watching, what's up, guys? Oh man, I was so freaking close. I was just like, it's the excitement of the moment to set you guys down. See, I want to get a gun mount I put on my gun so that I can just set you guys up there. No! Oh my god. I did the most retarded thing in the world. So there's my gun. Okay. Then I pulled that back. There was nothing in it. Like, come on, who does that? There's a little tip for you guys. Filming a video. I gotta load the sucker. That sucked so bad. I had like the best shot ever on the freaking bird. But nope. There he goes. He's gone. Oh, man. Ooh. Oh, snap. Yeah, no, everyone's okay. Come on. Come on, do it. Come on. There we go. Sorry, guys. I dropped you. Trust me, it's gonna get way better with filming. Right now, it's really bad. But, you know, I think this is the first time I've gone hunting on this channel. And please do hit the like button, subscribe. It's not gonna hurt anything. And, ooh. False alarm. Leaf. Yeah. I'm going to be filming, like, when me and my dad go deer hunting and stuff. I'm going to be filming that. I'm going to be filming when we go elk hunting and crap. But I just normally go bird hunting on my own with my gun. Oops, snap. False alarm. Oh, 7 minutes and you haven't even gotten a bird. Like, come on. I'm not trying to bore you guys to death, but Jesus Christ. It is pouring down rain too. So, and about maybe in like 20 minutes I'm probably gonna, no, not 20 minutes. Like, I don't know. Oh, just a tree. False alarm. Dang. I'm ready. I'm seriously freaking ready to shoot something. They're just not out here right now. I mean, I'm all out in this gravel pit, big road, lots of woods. This is literally what I'm hunting in. I guarantee you I'm going to get one bird and I'm going to shoot it and then it's going to go fly in the sticker bushes and die. That happened to me and I felt so freaking bad. Because I mean I shot it, but now it's in the bushes and I can't get it and eat it. Like, that's horrible. Like, who does that? Forever. False alarm again. I'm just kind of walking back and forth in this one spot. So I've seen, actually, the other day, right in that tree behind me, the one that's slanted, there's a blue jay in there, and I was like, oh, hell yeah. And then I freaking aimed, and I shot, and the wind blew, and I missed. Freaking sucked. I was like, are you freaking crapping me right now? And I was like, it sucked so bad. These leaves. Little leaves. I ain't hunting for you leaves, so coming out. Oh, man, these leaves trick me so bad. Let's get me hyped. My favorite is the two blue the sky. I don't really see any birds right now at the moment. I can hear them, I just can't see them. See, the best luck I've had is going up this way. Actually, it's the best luck I ever get. And I actually did shoot one over there somewhere, but he flew into the sticker bushes. It's like, you crapping me? Ooh, snap. Wait a minute. Fill my cup, put some liquor in it. Sign a check. Julio. Jackson, Mississippi. Check's on and a check's off and I forgot the rest of the song, so I'm gonna quit singing it. Ooh, snap. Sorry, false alarm. I'm gonna start posting more frequent. What the hell was that? I'm gonna start posting more frequently now because, you know, I'm gonna get them subscribers. I mean, if you know what I mean. I'm just sorry if I space out for a second because I'm looking for some birdies. Oh, shoot. Wow. Really nothing. I think after I went on that one firing streak, I spooked them all. And now they're all like, oh hell no, I ain't going back there. You just sit up in the trees and mock this guy. He can try and shoot me now, but he ain't gonna hit me because I'm in a tree. Huh? Little birds. Come on, I even put out some apples for you. You guys do this? Well, I mean, that's kind of understandable. I mean, it's not, you know, just trying to kill them and stuff, but. Well, guys, I think I'm gonna shoot like an apple or something real quick. Get that on video. And yeah, that shall be the video. What was that? A gun just seriously fucking jam on me? Oh, crap. Oh, Daddy! Auto parts. I just probably, you know, scared the crap out of that guy. It's like, what in the hell? I'm like, oh yeah. Dang it. There we go. I think I forgot to pump the thing up. I didn't want to shoot. Yo, little birdies. I'm open on weekends today. You know, it's a little bit difficult. Oh, snap. Everything's okay. It's a little bit difficult to film on other days because I got school on me and I'm still a little just cheering. I ain't no freaking big boy yet. But, yeah. I think this is going to wrap the video up. Guys, sorry I didn't get anything. It's just part of hunting though. I mean, if you're a true hunter. Oh. What the? That's such freaking crap. Look at all these birds. Just going by. Look at this. My gun just freaking jammed on me. Oh! You guys so freaking lucky. Oh, lucky buttholes. Come on! Don't ever look inside of the barrel again. Not the smartest idea. I flipped the safety on though, so you know. You guys are getting some quality rage moments right now. Ooh. No, that does not look good. Oh, crap. Well, guys. Oh, crap. I'm so sorry. The horrible quality of the video. It's been pouring down right now. My camera's all freaking wet. Alright, well. See you next time. Sayonara. Peace out, people. See you later. See you next time. Whenever I post a video, you never know. I might post one tomorrow or next year. Bye.